Morning, Chen.
Morning, Tanya.
How you doing?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm good. I've been seeing all the news about the rain and the flooding there. Is it really bad?
Oh, yeah. And also, the interstate bridge actually leaks frequently now because of the water level is higher. So,
Oh, for the boats to get under.
yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, so traffic too, on top of everything.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're talking about the flood here in the northwest region of the United States, and there is an interstate bridge here between Washington and Oregon. Here it's a major interstate freeway, and now it leaves very often. There is a drawbridge over the river, and the drawbridge now leaves very often because of the water level is much higher than the usual. Usually it's 7 to 8 feet at the bridge. Now it's like 15, 16 feet.
All right, should we start?
Yeah, let's get started. Looks like a pretty light agenda for today. I have the first couple of items. Just an update on the timeline. We have another staging test run planned for Tuesday, the 14th, with the final decomposition run in staging currently planned for this Thursday, the 16th. And next item is a very, very important topic. I created the issue for the commemorative t-shirt that we talked about last week. Sunjung, our enablements UX designer and creator of other fantastic team logos, has kindly agreed to look at helping us out with this in 15.2. Any other questions, comments about the rollout timeline?
I mean, not really. I think just for context, we're now down to, I think, 8 issues out of 364, and many of them, are assigned, going to close soon. So there's really, from a development perspective, there's nothing really left that we need to worry about. This is now all purely about the change itself and rolling it out.
That's right. Yeah, and I think some of those were closed today, so it may not be reflected on the chart that I screenshotted, but yeah, 9 out of 363, I want to say. So it's great to see.
Cool.
Cool. Yeah, any other blockers or potential risks that we need to discuss here? Yeah, looks like Camille, you said some quirks in development, but nothing that's a blocker at the moment. So thanks for adding that.
Yeah, it's like we keep like noticing new things like every week, but there's nothing really that we don't have like an immediate workaround for block anything.
Cool.
Cool. I have one. I just sort of, as an FYI for you, Jerry, and for you, Eric, as well. What's going to happen next? So we are going to attempt and decompose staging this Thursday, and let's assume all of that goes through and is successfully executed. At that point, the template for that change has essentially stabilized. We've executed it successfully in staging. So following that, I will, or we will likely schedule another call or do it in this working group meeting, just to walk you through some of the things that we're doing, why we're confident in it, because I want to make sure that everybody is aware of what that would look like in production. But I think the end of this week is essentially the stabilization of what exactly we're going to do in production. And I think at that point, nothing should really change anymore, as far as I'm aware. So that's something that's going to come your way just for eyes and questions if there's anything else, but that's it.
So it looks like the next database scalability group is currently scheduled for Monday the 20th, but that's going to be a US holiday, Juneteenth. So do we move that to a team where more of us can attend? Or I mean, I could just zoom into that one meeting.
We can, if that is a public holiday, we can maybe just move it by a day to accommodate everyone. I don't mind that.
Okay. It looks like my the 21st is relatively packed, but there is some stuff that can move. So
Okay.
just ping Marissa, and she can.
Yeah, we'll get that. We get that on the way.
Cool. Thanks.
Patrick, actually, we have a go no go meeting, right? Do we want to use that meeting? Just combine the go no go.
I think that's essentially what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Just to make sure, maybe we can utilize the working group meeting for that, or we'll schedule something else. I just want to be frugal with everyone's time. We still need to wait for after Thursday.
Yeah, I think we can still move this working group meeting ahead of that, and if it's ready to discuss, then that's great. If not, just have whatever the normal agenda would have been. Cool. All right. I think that does it for the agenda. I'll give everyone some time back in their day. Thank you.